So uh, now I want to give this stage to Kavanjali ma'am.
My name is Kavanjali. Today I am sharing about my life turning point and self study. When I was in 8th class, I know how to write and how to read, but I don't know how to write in own sentences. Uh, in that 8th standard was goes and I will come in 10th standard. I was come in 10th standard. Then in that papers also essay writing and question answers all of there. I asked to my friend how to write in own sentences. I don't know. Please tell me. I asked. She told me I will tell you when exam is came near. So I will told you. So I come to my home and I asked my mother, mom, how to write in own sentences in essay and others. So my mom was told me, first you have to understand that topic and you have to know what is the topic of that. Then when you understand all that one, then you write. Told my mother. So in 10th, I wrote his own sentences. I got marks. Then I decided how to write in own sentences and how to think in that subject. And then I went first PU and second PU. In that also, my teacher and my sirs full supported to me. And first year I don't interested on that college. Why? Because that is in village, so I don't interested on that college. But I skip the classes so much in first PU. Then in second PU I studied a lot. Why? Because in that place, who studied hard work, they will first rank. So I think I also knowledge why I not using that one. My sir was full supported to me in reading and other purposes. He will support to me. So I did the hard work in that. That all teachers and sirs have told me it is your turning point. It is your turning point. So I think so. It is turning point. So I turn my life in this stage. So I studied a lot. Uh, then I think in that college I want to come in top 3. So I studied hard work. I am in a second rank in that college, second PU science. And now what in after second PU what I do, I don't know. But my teacher and my sir was suggested to me, you have to join ENC engineering. It is you want to complete that one, so you have knowledge, they told me. So I have admitted that I don't know how engineers was there, which subject are there, I don't know. In first sem internal was came in that engineering life, in that engineers, they have two internals. We have to eligible for 20 marks in two internals. We have eligible when then we have to go in sem. It we not eligible, we in that subject was withdrawal. So I'm thinking so much how to study. I don't know how to that subjects are there. So I asked to my friends, and they also helped me. And then I studied well. But sometimes friends are not good. Why? Because in my life was suffering for some friends. In first sem I have backed my two subjects. Why? Because in tomorrow is my exam. Me and my friend was fighting. So in that is my affected to my life. Why? Because I backed my two subjects in first sem. So I think not depend on others, only depend on yourself. No one can help you. in teaching in study purposes. We have to study in own. So I think that one. So I am not depending on other friends. When I am studied, I have studied myself only. Then I have completed BE engineering uh, in 2024 pass out, and then I went to Bangalore in 1 month. Embedded system. Uh, at, I have joined that course. In that course in Bangalore, they are speaking well in English, but I am some nervous as oh, I don't know English, how to speak. When I speak English, it is mistake or other. I think so much. So I stay in 1 month in that Bangalore. Then I will came back to my home. I don't understand that one, and in that all are so much are talented. So I have no knowledge of that much. So I have to study. I will come back. So my parents was told me, okay, you what you want, you will become, they told. So I told my mothers, I want to learn first English, then I will study other things. So when we are studying, we have to think in positive. Why positive? Why? Because we think in negative, it is not we reach in goals. When we have to, what will happen in our life, we have to think in positive only. Then we have to reach the goals. And next one is not depend on others, only depend on yourself, and study only yourself. No one can help you in any situation, but some friends are there. They will help you. It is a god gift to us.